How do I start a business with Amazon? Here's what nobody's talking about. This video is not a step-by-step guide on how to build a business with Amazon. Amazon is a form of affiliate marketing, and in the end it doesn't really matter what it is that you are promoting. No matter how many step-by-step guides you will watch here on YouTube, no matter what courses from the biggest gurus out there you will buy, there is a good chance, and 96% chance to be exact, that you will fail. And with this video here, I'm giving you my 3 top tips and some extras that no guru out there will ever talk about. Hey my friend, welcome back. My name is Timo. I'm an affiliate entrepreneur and founder of TimoD.com, and my mission is to free others from the 9-to-5 jails. And if you want to get notified when a new video is up, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that little bell so you don't miss anything. And make sure to get my free training. Link is in the description of this video, so at any time get your hands on this. But now let's dive right into the content and let's talk about why you need to do a little bit more to crush it on Amazon than those gurus out there will tell you. So here are the 3 top reasons and some bonus tips why people fail when starting a business on Amazon. Reason number 1, they're offering everything to everybody. In this digital world where your competition is only one click away, you need to position yourself. Not only is it more fun to promote products that you love, if you start with yourself and with products that you like, you are positioned right away. And most of the time you can talk a lot about those things you like, right? The next step is to promote those products to an audience, and again, be yourself when you do that. Your business must be built around you. It's so much easier to build a business around a person, far easier than building a brand around a product only. And think about it, can you name business persons that build their businesses around themselves? Let me give you a hand. Richard Branson, Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Steve Jobs. But also if you scale it down, you know Orange County Choppers, right? Would not work without the father and son fights and without Funny Mikey, right? And this works in a much smaller scale where you and I are in as well. How can you position yourself, make other people know, like, and trust you? And that leads me to reason number 2 why people fail on Amazon. They don't have a huge following. People who are crushing it on Amazon have some sort of following. They have a big email list, a YouTube channel with many subscribers, or a Facebook group that is full of people who are like-minded. When they create a video or post something online, in an instant, thousands of people get their messages. No wonder that a fraction of those people buy. But also having a huge following on social media is not ideal. You should have full control about your following also. And that leads me to reason number 3 why people fail on Amazon. They don't build a list. Never send your people to Amazon offers only. It's amazing to have followers on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, but all these platforms can change things. Have you tried to get your message in front of your Facebook fans lately? Without advertising to them, it's not that easy to do that anymore because Facebook changed their algorithm not that long ago. If you talk about a product in a YouTube video, let's say you're making a review on something, it's obvious that you link to the Amazon product, of course. But you also should build your own email list. That way you are independent and you can lead your followers to any offers you want. And you can send them to your product reviews on YouTube as well. YouTube loves traffic from outside. That can help get your videos ranked as well. Now here are 2 bonus tips for you. Bonus tip number 1, build a security net. Have you ever heard the saying, the most dangerous number in business is 1? Yep, so true, and I experienced that myself. It was so painful, cost me over $12,000 and at least 1.5 years in my business. I was promoting a company that was banned by the FTC, the Federal Trading Commission, and I lost my savings just because I did not have my own funnel set up. I was promoting that company directly, and at the time it was out of business, I had nothing left. A big advantage of Amazon, of course, is that you can promote many products there. But who knows, maybe it's good to take a look at some other networks as well and build a portfolio of many different products that are hosted on more networks than one. Bonus tip number 2, use a tracker to switch offers if needed. A great way to switch products easily is to use a tracking tool. You just add a tracking link at one place, like a video or an ad or something, and if you want to change the destination of that link, you just change it within the tracking tool. So the main link that you have placed in the video or ad remains as it is. only the destination changes, and that way you can change offers within minutes. So that's it again for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have further questions, you can comment below this video and also tell me what else you would like to see on my channel. And of course, if you like this video, show me some love and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about positioning yourself and promote products the right way, I highly recommend my free training that shows you step by step what exactly you need to do to get your business started. And if you like, you can register for a free workshop as well. My mentor will be also around and he will present all the secrets you will ever need to get your business started. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Talk soon. Bye-bye.